In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a contact group in Outlook. If you regularly email the same set of people, creating a contact group called a contact list in Outlook on the web will save you time and prevent mistakes. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted upon one, sign in to your account. Once you're in, switch to the People area. You can get there by selecting People from the left navigation or the App Switcher. This is where your contacts and lists live. At the top, look for the New Contact button and click the small arrow to open the drop-down. From the menu, choose New Contact List. This is the option that creates a group of recipients you can email all at once. Give your list a clear, memorable name. Pick something that makes sense at a glance, like the team or project it's for. Good names make it easy to find the list later and to auto-complete it in the To field when you compose an email. Next, add the people you want in the group by entering their email addresses. As you type, Outlook may suggest existing contacts. Click to add them. You can also paste multiple addresses. Using commas or semicolons between addresses usually works well. After each entry, press enter to confirm it. Take a moment to double check spelling and domains to avoid bounces and avoid adding the same person twice. There's a description field as well. This is optional, but it's helpful for noting the purpose of the list, meeting cadence, or any criteria for who should be included. It's for your reference and can make future editing easier. When everything looks right, click Create. Outlook will save your new contact list and you'll see it appear in your People view. From now on, when you compose a new message, just start typing the list name in the To field and select it to address the email to everyone in the group at once. If you need to make changes later, open the list in People and select Edit. Here you can update the name, add or remove members, and adjust the description. Be sure to save your changes when you're done so the list stays current. That's it, quick and efficient. You've created a contact group in Outlook, and you know how to edit it whenever your team or distribution needs change. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.